Hi, welcome to your new home. My name is Joey Parker, and I'm your property manager. Here's how you can reach me on the right of this video. Before your move-in, I completed a walkthrough inspection of your unit. I'll be sending you a copy of that inspection for your review. You'll also receive a link to complete your own move-in inspection. Please make sure to submit it within 48 hours of receiving the link. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help. Thanks again, and welcome home.
Helpful information and guidance. Setting up utilities. If you have not done so already, please make sure to set up the required utilities as outlined in your lease agreement. Please note that not all utilities will be set up in your name. You can visit our website at bwprentals.com/utilities to find contact information and other information regarding utilities. Renter's insurance. As per the lease agreement, we have already set up a liability policy for you. However, this only protects the property itself in the event of accidental damage and does not cover your personal belongings. We highly recommend acquiring renter's insurance to protect your personal property and liability in the event of theft, damage, or accidents. You can purchase this through your tenant portal or through your local insurance provider. Renter's insurance typically costs between $15 to $30 per month. Maintenance requests. You have already or will be receiving an email invitation from our maintenance system, Property Meld. This portal is where you can submit any maintenance requests. You can also find information about maintenance procedures, DIY tips for common household issues, and after-hours emergency instructions on our website at bwprentals.com/maintenance. Utility shutoff locations. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the utility shutoff locations for water, power, and gas in case of an emergency, where you may need to turn these services off to the home. Please refer to the images provided to help you identify the locations. 1. Gas shutoff. 2. Power shutoff. 3. Water shutoff. Knowing where these shutoffs are located is important and can help prevent further damage in urgent situations. Rules and responsibilities. A full list of property rules and responsibilities can be found in the lease agreement. Please read through it and feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. We hope this information helps you settle in and feel right at home. Welcome to the Boardwalk family.